Most people get this wrong. They think StreamYard is just another live streaming tool, but the surprising truth is that its pricing plans are designed to scale with your needs from casual creators to professional broadcasters. StreamYard offers three main plans: Basic, Professional, and Business. The Basic plan is free and lets you host up to 6 participants, broadcast to one platform at a time, and access limited branding options. It's great if you're testing the platform or streaming casually, but streams include the StreamYard watermark. The Professional plan costs around $25 per month. It removes the watermark, supports up to 10 participants, allows streaming to multiple platforms simultaneously, and provides enhanced branding tools like overlays and custom backgrounds. This is perfect for growing creators, small businesses, or webinars. The Business plan, at about $49 per month, is aimed at professional teams. It includes up to 20 participants, priority support, advanced branding, and features like recording storage, audience Q&A, and live comments moderation. For agencies or high-volume streamers, this plan provides maximum control and flexibility. The surprising truth about StreamYard is that even the free plan is quite capable. You can stream to YouTube or Facebook and engage with your audience in real time. But if branding, multiple destinations, or participant capacity is important, the paid plans deliver significant value. In conclusion, choosing the right StreamYard plan depends on your needs. Casual streamers can start free, but for growing or professional audiences, professional or business plans unlock essential features that make streams look polished and professional. Subscribe for more in-depth breakdowns of streaming tools and platforms so you can pick the plan that fits your needs perfectly.